Hi, in this short video I want to demo you how you can use Reviewpad centralized configurations to apply workflows from one place to the entire organization on GitHub. We're going to take the use case of applying a code freeze to the entire GitHub organization where Reviewpad is installed. What we expect is that every single pull request which was created to be blocked and be blocked with a meaningful message. Here's an example of such pull request which was created, and Reviewpad bot added the code freeze label. Also, states that there is an error, which is we have a code freeze, all pull request merges are blocked, and the CI check is failing. And because we have set up the branch protection rules on GitHub such that the pull request merge is blocked if the Reviewpad check fails, then we have essentially blocked the merge. To understand how this works, we need to look at the configuration files. So let's look at what is the configuration file that we have in the root of this repository. By looking at it, we see that this configuration file is extending another file. So this is the trick. Reviewpad allows you to extend multiple files that actually live in different repositories. By doing so, we could have a centralized configuration like what we have in this particular case, a .github, and then have multiple repositories extending that. And if I change it here, basically I'm affecting all these other repositories. This particular configuration sets out a rule, which is a code freeze rule, which is true in this case, and also a workflow. In this workflow, we state that if we are in the code freeze, then we're going to add a label code freeze. And because we had this label code freeze, if we go back to the configuration file in the Reviewpad Protect repository, we have a workflow that states that if a code freeze is an element of the labels, we are failing the check of Reviewpad. So this is how we put in place a code freeze, by simply coming to this .github repository in the code freeze YAML and toggling true or false the particular rule. I hope this illustrates how powerful Reviewpad can be at applying configurations from one single place to multiple repositories, which is not something you can do easily with, for example, branch protection rules. Thank you.